Okay, before we start, I want to let you know this is the remix we're using. It'll stop somewhere, but just come on, let's just do it. First, let's start with a news alert, if you want. I'm too lazy to do it myself, but just come on. How about a Nigel and Stan show report? That's probably also where the music starts. Yeah, it is. Alright, let's start. It's one day later where the party begins. Okay, retake. Blurry, that's why.
So then after that, I proved the existence of time travel if you don't believe me. And I might send a test subject in there, in my new time machine.
It better not be me. Like last time. Yep, just replied to him on his channel on one of his posts or something, and he said that he'll be coming here in just about a few minutes. So keep your hopes up.
Wow! I can't believe my older brother is moving on to greater heights.
Oh yeah, I've heard of Massachusetts. I think I think Thomas's cousin Bartholomew lives there, as well as James's cousin Jeremy. They have cousins? I find it really weird, you know.
Sorry about what happened when I arrived. You should have told me about your problems. I would have understood. So, are you sure you'll be fine there? Train Boy 17's world is a long way away, especially if it's in Massachusetts.
Why do I somehow feel like that's gonna be a part of an episode one day? Well, with Terry being gone and all.
Yeah, I guess it does feel like that. And besides, what's gonna happen next? It's not like an engine's just gonna pop out of nowhere and suddenly we'll know who he is. That'd just be crazy.
And that actually happens. Seriously, it does. Alright, let's go. Let's begin. Boop.
Oh, hey, Roderick. What's up?
The funny part is, what Elliot said is true and actually does happen, but one thing that doesn't happen is Roderick doesn't know where he is. Everyone knows he just popped out of nowhere. Well, it's like Elliot said. The only thing is, Roderick doesn't know. But just goes along with it or something like that. I don't know. Sorry, I'm late. Rum, rum. Did I miss anything? Rum, 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 rum. No, Birdie. You're right on time. Just find your space somewhere over there. Okay. Rum, rum.
We've all had so many memories with him. You think we'll ever see him again?
Indubitably.
Wef, I think you can stop speaking like an idiot right now.
It's not speaking like an idiot. It's speaking like a mature scientist. Am I correct, my comrades?
Speak normal for once! Now. Car horn.
Terry, I'm pretty sure you're forgetting something. Behind you?